Now, in this recording in the series of creating a new coordinate system, we'll discover the other options that we have for creating a coordinate system. To do so, I'm going to take the one we already have now, and I'm going to add another one. So I'll click on Add. And by clicking on Add, the first thing you'll note is you can have Mac 1 position 2, or if you want to have it on a different Mac, such as G55, I'll put it at 2 and click on Tab. So now this will be in Mac Coordinate System 2, position 1. In our previous recordings, we used Select Associative Face. Now let's take a look at the other options we have here. We have Select Face, which is basically the same as Select Associative Face. The only difference is that it is not associative. But everything else over here is basically the same. We have top corner of model box, and we have these other options here as well. And so therefore, I will not go too deep into this because it basically operates very similar to what we had before, but it's not associative. Then we have Define. Define is where I define the actual origin, then the X direction, and then the Y direction. So let's start off with the origin. I'm just going to click on this point over here, and that's going to be where my origin is. Now jump to X direction. I'll pick this line, or I can pick a specific point, but I'll pick this line. This is my X direction, and for my Y direction, I'll just pick on this line over here, and now we have our Y direction. Over here, we also have, we can modify by pick. I can modify my origin, my XY. Note that none of these are associative. Okay, so now let's go to our next option we have here called Select Coordinate System. This allows you to select a coordinate system that was created in the CAD system that you're working. For example, in this particular case, I had created 3 different coordinate systems inside my CAD module, and I can pick any one of those as my coordinate system. I'm going to just pick on this one, and then I can manipulate that by flipping it around as well. Next, we have Normal to Current View. This is normally used when working on STLs, because STLs, there are no surfaces. So with an STL, you bring it to what seems to be the right direction, and then you just click on Capture Current View for Coordinate System. And then you have, again, by 3 points. This by 3 points is the same as Define, but this, however, is associative. It should be noted that what is used most often is the first option, and then also a lot of people use the option of Select Coordinate System, where you created one already inside the CAD system. So in this particular case, I'm going to use this one. I'll choose this very first coordinate system, and I'll accept it. As far as the levels page goes, this is exactly how it was previously. And now when I click on OK, you can see now that we have another coordinate system. Now, this coordinate system, since it is the second coordinate system over here, this already, if we want, can be deleted if necessary. Just click on Delete and say yes to delete that coordinate system. In our next recording and last recording for the coordinate systems, we'll be taking a look at the CAM settings associated with coordinate system.